My Date from Hell, Episode 2, The Perfect Illusion, by Curve My Way Art LLC.
We met Tasha, a young, single mom from New York. She's strong, she's independent, and just wants someone who will treat her right. Then came Marcus from Georgia, with that southern charm and smooth accent. He seemed like the total package, sweet, attentive, and exactly what Tasha thought she needed. Before long, Marcus had moved in. He had cooked dinner for her family. He made Tasha's kids laugh. He even planned little dates with matching outfits. It felt like a dream come true. But then the red flags started to show, or maybe the warning signs were there all along. Did we miss something about Marcus from the very beginning?
Last time on My Date from Hell, Tasha thought she met the perfect man online. Marcus moved in, cooked dinner, made her kids laugh, even planned dates with matching outfits. But I asked you, was that the only red flag? Well, here's what we know. Marcus told Tasha he had been kicked out of his brother's house after a fight that even landed him in jail. Looking back, maybe that was the first sign things weren't as perfect as they seemed. Still, Tasha wanted to believe in him. She gave Marcus another chance. And soon, he asked for something even bigger. But dreams don't always last forever. One morning, Marcus said he had a job interview. His car was damaged, so he asked to borrow Tasha's. He promised he'd handle everything, drop her at work, pick up the kids, then swing back for her later. Tasha paused for a moment. Should she trust him with her only car? Or was this crossing the line? In the end, Marcus had been nothing but perfect so far, so she handed him the keys. Hours passed, and Marcus never showed up. No calls, no messages. Tasha's kids were stranded at school. She was stuck at work, panic rising with every minute. She finally managed to get help from a co-worker to pick up the children and rushed home, heart pounding. Tasha's heart pounded as she approached the door, every step heavier than the last, like something inside her was warning her. She turned the key and slowly opened it. Her worst nightmare had come true. Marcus was gone. Her car, her belongings, everything she had trusted him with, even all the things she had worked so hard to give her children over the years, were gone. And then, she heard it, the cries of her children echoing through the empty house. Her chest tightened, panic rising like a wave she couldn't hold back. What would you have done if you were in Tasha's shoes? A. Cried and called the police. B. Seen the red flags and never gotten into that situation. Be sure to either comment with the option A or B. What happens next? Tasha is left with nothing. Her home, her belongings, her kids' safety, all in chaos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for episode 3 of My Date from Hell. You won't believe what happens when the truth comes out.